अच्छा देखें, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 83 कहता है, डियर सर्स, आई बिलीव दैट द एड्रेसिंग मशीन शोन ऑन पेज 22 ऑफ योर मंथली बुलेटिन, ये क्या है बुलेटिन, ये इस तरह लिखेंगे बो ली और ये टीन आखिर में एन हो है, would be suitable for my use, and if it is satisfactory I may purchase one. First off, I should be glad if you would have one of your देखे one of your इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, one of your salesmen call at my office to tell me more about the machine. First, please ask him to phone before he comes so that I may be ready for him. First, yours truly. There is a train which leaves yesterday. ये क्या है, ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है yesterday, इस तरह हम लिखेंगे, देखें yesterday इस तरह लिखते हैं। अच्छा, have for Liverpool, ये क्या है जगह का नाम है, प्लेस का नाम है, देखें लिवर और ये पोल, लिवरपूल at 7 o'clock, and also a train which leaves at 9 o'clock. You can buy a return ticket for 10 guineas. अच्छा, first up, vast changes have taken place in business and industry in the last 10 years. First up, I believe that generally the changes have been for the better. First up, there is no doubt that wages are higher, and that in general people work fewer hours than formerly. First up, however, it is certainly true that workers have to specialize in one line more than ever before. First up, I have gone over the records, and I note that although the business we have done with some firms has been smaller than we hoped, the total sales have been better than we expect. First up, अच्छा, एक्सरसाइज नंबर 84 कहता है, डियर मिस्टर पेन, आई हैव नोन मिस्टर जॉन लेन फॉर 13, ये क्या है 13 years, and I am of the opinion that he will make a very desirable member of your club. First up, he began work with us as a stenographer. क्या है स्टेनोग्राफर, तो किस तरह लिखेंगे स्टेनोग्राफर, तो ये एस टी ये लूप है, ये स्टेनो और ये ग्रा और ये फर, स्टेनोग्राफर इस तरह लिखेंगे। अच्छा, and has risen by successive steps to the post of general manager. First up, he has a fine personality, and we feel that it is an honor to have him as a member of our firm. Very truly yours. अच्छा, फिर कहता है, from January until the summer, we have decided to keep our store open on Thursday night until 9 o'clock. First up, it will be open every Thursday night until June, and from then on we shall close at 5:30 p.m. as usual. Full stop. अच्छा, within the past few years, the volume of business in the southern districts has been much larger. Full stop. In some industries, business has been better in similar industries in the northern and eastern. ये क्या है? ईस्टर्न. ये एस क्या है? स्ट्रोक हाफ है टी के लिए. ईस्टर्न इस तरह लिखेंगे. ईस्ट और ये रन. ईस्ट और ये रन. ये एस स्ट्रोक हाफ है टी के लिए. अच्छा, डिस्ट्रिक्ट फर्स्ट ऑफ such industries is cotton textiles. cotton textiles. ये क्या है? textiles. ये देखें, ये textiles इस तरह लिखेंगे. अच्छा, have shown a marked increase. अच्छा, increase in the past 10 years. In my opinion. ये क्या है? In my opinion. ये in my opinion. In my और ये n और ये n हो. In my opinion, in the next 10 years, there will be increases larger than those that have been already noted. First up, because of the lack of rain in some of the western districts of Canada, dust storms have often occurred. First up, these storms have done much damage to farms and crops. First up, some of the districts in the western corner belt have been affected. First up, larger numbers of farms have been covered in dust, and it has not been possible to grow anything. First up, in many cases. ये क्या है? in many cases. तो किस तरह लिखेंगे? देखें, in many cases इस तरह लिखेंगे. In many cases, houses have been entirely buried beneath a load of dust. First up,